when the workforce started changing in the 70s and 80s, and the person sitting next to you didn't look like you anymore, started looking a little bit different. What did we learn from that experience? Anybody? We learned that we can all work together. We learned that people were different. We learned that we need to value the differences that others had, didn't we? Well, we're going through, fast forward till today. We're going through diversity again, but the people sitting next to you may not look like you. It doesn't matter, but they're different than you. Why? They may be younger, they may be older, they may be your age, your boss may be 20 years younger than you. You see how that can create a problem in the workforce if you don't understand how to value the differences between you and that person? I want to talk for the next 9 minutes about those different generations in the workforce and why it may create a problem for us if we don't learn to communicate better with people of another generation, or we don't learn to value the differences in those different generations. 4 generations. We've got your veterans. Now the veterans, you'll hear different terms. You hear them called traditionalists. You may hear them called silents. But my research leads me to call them veterans. They were born somewhere in the 1920s, and it goes up to about 1940, 1943, 1946 is what you'll see most of the time. Those are your veterans. There's about 52 million veterans that was born during that time frame. Then you have what? Your baby boomers. They were born between 1946 and 1964. Now again, you may have some overlap there. It doesn't matter. If you got a sister that was born in 1963 and you were born in 1964, you're probably the same, you cut from the same piece of cloth. You're probably going to have the same type behavior, same personality. There's not going to be that much difference between you. You're going to have an overlap of 3 or 4 years each way. After the baby boomers, then there was what? We called them the Gen Xers, didn't we? Now that was your trouble bunch. How many Gen Xers do we have in here? You guys are trouble. They were born between 1964 and 1980 or so. And then we had our lovely darlings. What do you call them? Gen Y. Well, no, you know what? There were a group of Gen Y that got together and decided they didn't want to be called Gen Y. They wanted to be called millennials. They are millennials, 1980 through today. They are turning 28 years now, 28 years old. They have been in the workforce approximately 10 years or so. When they, after high school, 18, they went into the workforce.